In today's session, we are going to talk about Introduction to Agile. Before we head into details of what Agile is, we will talk about traditional software development process, what is essentially known as waterfall delivery model or conventional software development model. If you are familiar with this model, you can easily visualize what I am saying. Otherwise, we start the waterfall software development model with a plan. The plan consists of the bunch of features that what we wanted to deliver. Then we analyze those features, we design those features, we code or implement those features, and at the end we test those features and deliver those to our customer. This is typically the sequence of software development lifecycle stages in waterfall delivery model. That means we have inherently big upfront planning that is done, big upfront analysis, big upfront design, coding, then testing in a sequence of steps. That means all the features are delivered irrespective of their value to our customer only at the fag end, which could be like 6 months, 9 months, or even 1 year. What that means to us essentially is the business value that what we inherently deliver in our software is delivered after the time that is 6 months, 9 months, or 1 year, software is complete. Also, if you look at the risk is getting accumulated over these 6 to 9 months. Means risk that the requirement that what we are developing that are getting obsolete to risks that we are accumulating in terms of the product not meeting to the customer's needs and doing exactly what the customer wants in terms of features and usage, etc. At the same time, if you look at in the beginning of the software development process, we are gathering the requirements from the customer, and after that, we are not in touch with the customer. Only at the end, we are giving the software that will be developed by us to the customer for testing and giving us the feedback. That means we have only one big loop of feedback in waterfall delivery model. And also, if you look at throughout the development process, what is happening? Not every of these teams know. If you look at the planning teams, design teams, analysis teams, testing teams, they are not aware of exactly what is happening across the project. That means there is a disconnect in the collaboration and communication among different stakeholders of the project here. Also, if you look at, this is one single plan that is made upfront and we try to adhere to the plan. Means adaptability in our planning is very, very minimal and less in this case. Software development is a complex ball game. Waterfall software development does not necessarily help successful software development. We will look into these aspects in a bit.